Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a video really of me putting together the base section of the diorama piece for the Jaws box set that I'm making for Nigel over on Rock 2004. So I'll be putting together the base section of this, which is the ocean part, and I'll bring in the orca then that sits on top of this piece. So all this diorama piece will be going on the lid of the box for the set that I'm making Nigel. And yeah, it'll just be just kind of a quick video on me gluing this up and bringing other bits and pieces in to go through them. So yeah, as I said, I'll be back at the end of this video anyway, and just to go through a few bits and pieces of the diorama, and yeah, just to see how it goes, and you'll get kind of a good sense of the size of this piece is going to be. And at the moment, the printer is still working away at printing parts off for this build. So yeah, without any further ado, I'll set this on your little speed motion, and I'll be back at the end of it. And I'll just, as I said, go through a few bits and pieces. So on we go. See you in a minute. Right. There we go. It's not fully finished. Still waiting on a few pieces to be printed off. You know, I'm trying to get it. But that is most of the main frame and the part done. It's bloody huge. There's my arm. So it's it's the length. It's the length to wear. It's a gorgeous piece.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I'm actually going to do one for myself. Display piece. There's also a base that goes with this, but because I won't be using the base, I'll with Nigel's one, we won't be using the base that comes with it because it'll be sitting on top of his the lid. But the one I'm going to make for myself, I'm going to have the base, but I'm going to be able to slot the movie in behind it. So it'll be a nice another display piece. Yeah, as I said, the printer's still printing in bits and pieces. The top piece that has to go on, yeah, up here. The mast must go on. There's another piece to go here, runway, and yeah, there's a few other bits and pieces, and then it's down to paint. All this bit here is that's the water, ocean. So that'll be all highlight blue and highlighted and stuff like that, and the ochre will be the colour it's supposed to be when it's done. As you can see there, different colours, a different colour filament, because it's a lot bigger than I actually thought it was going to be. So it's a beautiful piece. Really, it's going to be, yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the painting. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for now. Just I sort of just try to give it a bit of gluing and stuff like that. I actually done this while watching the stream the boys did on Friday night, Keith and Nigel. So I was putting this together, and I was also doing a bit of painting on Alan Meigs, Wolfman. And yeah, that's the head. It's not fully finished yet, but that's the head. As I say, he's not fully finished. I must do a bit on the teeth and stuff like that, but that's his the head of the bust anyway. But yeah, those are pretty cool, right? And yeah, getting a bit of shot there of Jaws. And, whoops. No, there we are. Oops. As far as I can get the whip in, there's there he is, getting attacked. So there's there. There's the cabin. There's other bits to go in here yet as well. Sofa and the furniture. The barrels are here. Just to put them in. Oh, that way? Yeah, that way. I'm going to slide down there because it's up. They need to be glued in. But yeah, you get the idea. They go there. I have 4 of them. So barrels will go there. So we have the barrels. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's it at the moment. Just a quick little update on the jaws. Just a bit for the lid. You see, it's a big chunk, hefty piece. Yeah, looking forward to getting it painted and stuff like that. Right. Until next time. Thanks for checking this one out. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I know it's only a bit of gluing together and working out where the pieces go and stuff like that. As I said, there's a few more pieces being printed off at the moment. the mast and bits and pieces. So yeah, be nice to get this done. I must also cut the base timber for the lid. So, and all this will be stuck to it. So you'll be able to lift the lid up by putting your hand underneath here. So there we go. Back up there to it, not too far. There's our jaws. But yeah, it's in there. Like that. Yeah. Okie dokie. Until next time, all the best here from Joe. Bye for now.